one. We got and the attendant said, yeah, but you got to take my you pay take my boss. background. You find that's a piano and piano with English. And the background. And I come on now. I'm a phone. I want to use this around the world. Yes. Yeah, we're part of the problem. But when we get there, we will address it. You were asking about YouTube, and before YouTube, they were asking about the fact that actors now really are not producers. I remember by the start of the producers and I think the producers are not even they now were businessmen. I think that we are seeing now, and this for the first time. I remember 15 years back, they faced a similar challenge. When the industry was moving from VHS to VCD, they faced a similar problem. That transition would be now in a kind of gas. All of that, the year said, producers here, not also they were into the music field. The likes of Thomas and Bonji, not almost so many, and then when but not cassettes, that tapes. Now you should fade it out. I'm a series now. Oh, at that time now I never hear this so free. I'm at VCD. Yeah, see, you know. Yeah, starting VCD now. Who said it is a very good market. And free music side of the back. Now, who said yes, move from CD to the digital platforms. Only national self-push back their money to different ventures. And then we now pay your sister to the film industry and the pop for phones. So, it is after something so you can have collaborations with the also. Also, we make all short skits now. You go to YouTube. And they make my YouTube. Because I make an they say in a year higher education, where the revolution of party has said, they say, see, you know, get home and then not. Sign with you. I remember Brana, I mentioned. Then, I was at the beer, I was at the senior and one out of the book, you are a but as a man, and I mean, that's what I said. Yeah, the love of knowing, that's not it's not yet. I'm to my mind. No, yes.